What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Stick here. Hey, today, hang on, I'll let somebody else tell you where we're going today. Dale, where are we going today?
Our favorite place, Nickajack.
Guys, we're going to Nickajack Lake. Dude, we're hunting for a monster today. Cross my fingers. Let's just go. Another pig.
Yeah, look at the belly.
It's a big one. We put in at a river park boat ramp. And Dale,
yeah,
he's putting on his
sunblock.
So we don't
scorcher today.
It's gonna be it's supposed to be like 90 today. Like, we're not used to this quite yet, so they ain't out here. Well, they're not right here, out here. Well, first fish. Our first fish on the jerkbait, guys. Mega Bass 110. Did you see that? Oh my god, damn. Something. There we go. That's Dale's first fish. It's a little windy out here, so on the drop shot, we got him drop shotting.
Yep, that's a color.
It's a trick shot and what's that?
Copper trees.
Copper trees cover. Yeah, something annihilated this thing, man. Something. Something else just hit it. Man, something is knocking. Keep knocking slack in it. Let's see him, Dale. Little smallmouth. There we go. It's clearing up. There's one. There's one on the DT6, guys. At least we're starting to catch fish now. This may be the key, Dale, is these shallower banks.
It's a real deep water mine.
Good one. Yeah. It's a little better. Hang on, buddy. Hang on, dude. There we go, guys. Nice smallmouth on the DT6. I better put this camera on. I got a feeling I'm gonna catch a big one right over here somewhere. One of us is. There's too many here not to have a big one here.
You see that other one streak across there?
Did you see my mouth?
Yeah, just whoop, loaded up.
Buddy, where are you going, bro?
There we go.
There you go. Guys are doubling up. They're not very big yet, but hey, we found them.
We think we're on a bunch of bad spots. They so deep, falling deep enough where you can't see.
Oh, he got off. How are y'all doing?
Good, how are y'all? Catching anything?
Yeah, we just now started catching fish through here.
Okay, because we saw them pulling some in up the river ways.
Bill's like, better one.
That one's a little chunkier. That's a little chunkier. That one's a little chunkier.
Dude, this is a lot of fish there.
Yeah, but I just thought it'd be better from what we was finding. Looks got him again.
Here you go, Dale. Nickajack, you'll always be
The second home to me.
second home to me. Good old Nickajack. Nickajack down in Tennessee. There's one. Uh-oh. Come here. Oh, you got off? Damn it, I would have tried to get him in there. I thought you was right behind me. It's like, yeah, it's all right. We'll catch another one. Oh, God. Oh, damn, that was a big one. Oh, my gosh. Big one. No, he just hit it like a crazy man. He just hit it like a wild man, that's all. They're kind of being ferocious over here. They're all males.
Mm-hmm. Well, we were catching that.
Little guy. Thanks, buddy. Oh no. Don't be throwing my DT6.
It only took one trip. That's all it took.
That's all it takes for anything.
Because I was thinking the whole day, what the? Really? What is up with this, man? In the next trip, I had like 6 of them. When you said you can get them at Walmart, I went and bought a couple of there, and then I got online and ordered me some.
Big muffins been doing that out here today.
I was not expecting this wind. This is supposed to be my easy downstream.
Look at this. Rock bass hit the DT6. That's so good. Alright guys, must fish today. It's either come on my chop shot setup or Mardi Gras Rapala Mardi Gras color DT6. You see it's all chewed up. Look at the teeth marks in it. Teeth marks in this thing.
Same thing for me.
I'm using my Enigma Atomic 29 7-foot medium heavy. I've got on 20-pound. What's this braid called? Power Pro.
Is it Power Pro or P-Line?
It's a 20-pound Power Pro braid, and I'm using a Runkle Heroism 7:1 gear ratio. Damn. Hey, little friend. Well, he got some orange eyes. Hey, friend.
Anytime you go out, if you see.
Hit it like a shit. Did you see how hard he hit that?
Mm-hmm.
He wasn't coming off either, right in the nose. Right in the nose. Big one. No. Good one.
Yeah, that one hit me too.
Boy, they hitting it like trucks, dude. Almost got you in the boat. Oh. I knew that. Oh God! Clobbered it. Clobbered it. He was mad when he hit that. Freaking meleeed it. Is that a fish? Yeah, it is a fish. It's a good one. Oh. God, get the net, get the net, get the net. It's a huge spot, dude. He's barely hooked. Don't do it. It's a huge spotted bass, guys. Oh God, he's barely hooked. Just put the net in. Oh my God, that's huge. Oh. Or is that a largie?
I think it's a largemouth.
That's a largemouth. Dude, I thought that was a cool. Whoa. Here we go, guys. Nice largemouth right there. Female. Ooh. It's a good one. It's a good one. Yeah. We may, it may be just the pylons next to the, we'll fish that pylon. We'll fish right there where them shell crackers are. And then that pylon, and then we can go over there and fish behind that. There you go, Dale. Bring it up. There you go, Dale.
Spot on the drop shot.
Right here on the bridge. This won't take long to fish this. It won't take long to fish this. Catch our shell crackers and go home. Go! Look how much line I had out. I'm like, dude, you caught me way off guard.
You know what? I don't think anybody ever did comment in that video telling us what those were, I don't think.
I don't know.
Don't tourism barbecue.
Yeah, yeah. Look how much line you had out. And he does the same thing. Oh. Here we go. Is that a spot?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's a smallmouth.
I think that's a mean mouth, probably.
That looks like a, it may be a mean mouth.
I think it is.
I think that is a mean mouth. Good job, Dale. Oh, right here, buddy. Did you see that? Here you go, buddy. Here, right here, buddy. Little, hey, we're wrecking them today, guys. Look at this monster. Look at that monster. He's cute, man. He's cute. Little buddy, you're gonna definitely make our video. Look at that. I'm surprised the little ones are active. Of course, they're pretty active today, huh? They're active in certain areas. If you're not in that area, you're not gonna catch a fish. As we found out early this morning. You know what time it is? Time to drop shot it. Out of one nip. Oh, there it is. Well, he dropped. How's he drop it? How's that work, Dale? He just had the tail or something. I don't know. I was fixing to whack his ass. God, look at Dale. Dale. Wait a second. Wait a second. God, is that smaller than the fish I caught? Look how little. Oh man. You're like, oh. Alright guys, we were calling it a day on Nickajack Lake. We had a great time, great time. Took us about an hour and a half before we actually found the fish. So we didn't really catch any giant fish, but we caught a ton of
You
fish.
caught one big one?
Yeah, I did catch it. Oh yeah, I did catch a big one, didn't I? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Y'all have a great day.